around the state, the country, toward the state. So many people are bringing testimony that a lot of people are getting excited. You can actually transform somebody by teaching him something. Just you can put something into his head and he become a different person. Not only to even give him something. There are some people that, of course, you have to give them something. You have to. So based on what we're doing, the television and the seminar we're holding, so many people are beginning to understand that. Look, that means I can actually achieve something. I can actually be useful to myself. I can actually be useful to my country, my community, and the rest of the world. Because the idea behind this is to discourage people from being like in Nigeria. Here you don't have this over here. So many people who we are hearing armed robbery, attacking people, seizing people's money. Believe me, some of them is because they have no choice than to do that to survive. And if you know that you are important to yourself, and there is something in you that the whole world are looking for, then you will not take the risk of carrying a gun and then shooting people, because you know what happen to you when you get caught. So we are trying to discourage that by